Hey everybody, this is now the third time that I've made this particular video. I just wanted you to see that, you know, sometimes life is rough. So here we go, we're gonna erase this, and this time it is gonna record because if it doesn't, my head might explode. So, oh good. All right, you guys are on my side, right? Everybody's on my side. Oh goody goody gumdrops, that's what I wanna hear. All right, so let me erase all my hard work. Okay, and let's start again. All right, guys, so just like H2O can be water, ice, and steam, linear equations can be point slope form, slope intercept, and standard form. Standard form is really glossed over a lot of times, but I think it's a really neat form. Let me tell you the two main rules. Rule number one, you may not have any fractions or decimals. Write that down, please. And number two, X and Y terms must be on the left side of the equal sign. Okay, let's try this. I'm going to show you how to get rid of a number 11 for the third time. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of a fraction. So you find the common denominator. In this case, the only denominator is a 4. So you're going to multiply everything inside by a 4. So you're going to get 4y. 4 times 3 fourths. It would definitely be worth learning how to do this on your calculator. Is 3. And 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. We're going to take that 3x to the left because remember that was the second rule. No fractions and things have to be on the left. So I'm going to get negative 3x plus a positive 4y equals, that's a minus or a negative 20. Now you might see in a book in an answer key that they're going to switch all of your signs. Totally fine. They just distributed by a negative 1. So I'm okay with either one. Let's take a look at number 12. Number 12, you're going to notice it disobeys rule number 1. There is, you're not supposed to have any decimals. So I'm going to multiply by 10. That's a rule we learned a long time ago. If you multiply by 10, that moves the decimal one spot, essentially. So instead of being 1y, it's 10y, 10 times y. Instead of being 9.1, it's 91. And instead of being 3.6, it's 36. Check it on your calculator. Take the 91x to the other side. Negative 91x plus 10y equals positive 36. Now, what you might notice in some books when you look at answer keys is that they might switch all the signs. Totally acceptable. In fact, I know my college professor, he always made me make sure the x term was positive, but I'm okay with either. Now, we can graph using standard form, and it's called graphing by intercepts. This is pretty cool. If it's in standard form, I'm just going to solve this for you and show how to graph it. So we're not going to put this in a different form. I'm simply going to teach you how to graph. I'm going to do it twice, and it's going to save this time. Right, guys? Someone at home, please say yes. If it doesn't save, I really am just going to go eat lunch. Okay, you ready? So if you want to know what the x-intercept is, you make y 0. So you see this y, it turns into 0, and then this just goes blah, 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 blah. Just like that. And please, if you're at home, make that noise so you feel better. Okay, divide by 3. So you get 3x equals negative 6 from up top. And then divide by 3, so you get x equals negative 2. Go to your x-axis. Go to negative 2 and make a dot. Okay, now for the y's. We are going to change colors because that makes me happy. We're going to make the x 0. So that goes blah, 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 blah. And we get negative 4y equals negative 6. Please make sure you tell your parents that the technical term is blah, 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 blah. Divide by negative 4 here. Divide by negative 4 here. Y equals a positive 1.5. Please go to your y-axis and go up positive 1.5. And forgive me because I do not have a ruler. And, oh, that wasn't so bad, was it? You should be impressed by me. Do you like my straight line? Good, me too. And that's it, guys. That's how you graph it. Now, oh, look, I never erased this one. Yesterday, you guys learned how you like to graph. You can get things in y equals mx plus b. Like, both of those ways work. I honestly think y equals mx plus b is better because you can put more points on. This way is only 2 points. And it's like, oh, no, what if you do it wrong? So just a little heads up on that, okay? So let's do this again for number 16. And I'm gonna end this page. And if you want to do the others, just let me know. I'll tell you if you get them right or wrong. So I'm going to zero out the y term, so it just goes like that. It turns into 0, which is useless. Divide by 4, so I get x equals negative 5. Go to your x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your first point for x. And now we're going to do your y's. So instead of the y's going away, you're going to put 0 in for your x, blah, 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 blah. Okay? 8y equals 20. Divide by 8. 20 divided by 8. 2.5. So you're going to go up 2.5. You're going to grab your, maybe you guys have a ruler, and your lines look a lot more acceptable than mine. Okay, that was like good enough, okay? And that is how you graph using standard form. So this whole page was about standard form. Wish me luck.